Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Go Time Gear. Yes, it's something a little simple this time. This is obviously it's a very large ammo can, but it's not a ammo can per se. According to Security Guy 42, I had to ask him about this because I've been looking for a few more of these, and boy oh boy are these hard to come by. Let's break out the old pimp stick. What you see here is I used to call these the tall boy ammo can, but according to Security Guy 42, here's the dimensions. They're 6 inches wide. Whoop, point this out. 6 inches wide, 11 3/4 inches long, and 16 1/4 inches high. Those are the dimensions. There are other cans similar to this. They look similar, but they're not the same dimensions. Excuse me. This is according to Security Guy, these were cans that held night vision goggles. I think he mentioned these were for the PVS 7s, Model D, I believe. The message deleted, so Security Guy, I'm sorry if I'm getting this wrong. But anyways, 6 inches wide, 11 3/4 inches long, and 16 1/4 inches high. Those are the dimensions. I found these on eBay and some surplus stores online. And let's move the camera, because this is, you might say, my Minuteman go-to can. Obviously you have your tools of self-defense, you have your basic gear, and what do you use for ammo? See, back when the Revolutionary War happened, they had their powder horn and their satchel of lead balls for their muskets or what have you. So let me situate the camera, and I'll open this up and I'll show you all that's inside. Alrighty, let's see. Yes, I am in frame. Let's open her up. Okay, first things first. I have a sustainment pouch. Yeah, I'm still in frame. Using the D rings on here. Get yourself a shoulder strap inside the sustainment pouch. Trying to make sure I'm still in frame, folks. Alright, this is my cleaning kit. This is for everything. For 12 gauge shotgun, another 12 gauge, well, that's a bore snake. This is the Otis cleaning kit. You got your brush, you got your cable, you got your mop, and so on and so forth. Some gloves and some shop towels to clean it with. Mag loader. Trust me, it's a lot faster using this. Weapons cleaning kit. Now this one, whoops, stay in frame. This is for multiple calibers. You got your 30 cal, 9, 45, whoops, well that's your 45, 9, 30 cal, and 223. So you got brushes and you got your tools. I forget what model. I think this is the Iquix, I think. But anyways, it's an Otis cleaning kit. It comes with the multi-tool, and these have the more modern threading on it, not like the old school threading. Just be aware of that. Set that aside. Some CLP, actual patches, another package of patches, some ballistol, break that stuff up. Gun grease, some extreme duty gun oil. I've done a few mag dumps with my AR, and this does work, believe it or not. And of course some more bore snakes. So I used to have a MRE in here, but I figured, nah, let's not. You can if you want to. All right. Obviously, one mag and one and two bandoliers fully loaded, and that is the end of the can. What's this? Oh, that's what it is. Basically, when I could still find tracers locally, last 2 rounds are tracers. I may change that. So anyways, that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, that is the my Minuteman, my Minuteman emergency can. 13 mags ready to rock and roll, plus a full weapons cleaning kit. If all I can do is grab this can and my rifle, I'm out the door in case things go south. So leave a comment, please like and subscribe, ring that little icon bell. I know I don't do many videos. My life is pretty hectic right now, so what little time I can get to making new videos, I try and do the best I can. So comment, like, subscribe. Please go to the R Syndicate. All the links are in the description below. Check out some friends of mine, good friends. Caz over at the Italian Hillbilly channel, Security Guy 42, and go to the R Syndicate, and Risky Krisky, good shout out to him. So there you go, folks. Hope this wasn't too long. Take care, everyone, and God bless. Oh, and I forget, prep like your lives depend on it, because they do. Take care, everyone. God bless.